3 print statements, but the middle one has a little hash mark in front. How many of these 3 messages actually show up when we run it? Guess first. Only 2. The middle line vanished completely. That hash mark turned real code into a comment, and Python skips comments entirely, as if they aren't there. But comments aren't just a way to switch a line off. Used well, they're how you leave a trail of breadcrumbs, so anyone reading your code, including you months from now, understands what past you was thinking. That tiny symbol is one of your most important tools. Let's learn to use it well. Comments. Notes you leave in code that Python ignores. Start with the mechanics. 2 places a comment can live. A hash at the start makes the entire line a comment. Python skips straight past it. You can also put a hash partway through. Everything before it runs. Everything after is ignored. That's an inline comment. Just 8. The comments left no trace. The math ran, the notes didn't. So a comment is everything from a hash to the end of that line. That's the whole rule. The hard part isn't the syntax. It's knowing what to write. The most important idea here. A bad comment just restates what the code obviously does. Counter plus equals 1, with a note saying, add 1 to counter. The code already said that. A good comment explains why. Skip the header row. The code shows the what. Your comment adds the reason the reader can't see. Watch a why comment rescue a mysterious number. On its own, price times 0.8 is mysterious. Why 0.8? The comment answers exactly that. A 20% loyalty discount. Now the reader knows not just what, but why. 80. But the real value is that 6 months from now, you'll still know why it's 0.8. Those unexplained magic numbers are where bugs hide. A one-line why saves a future headache. The twist most tutorials skip. Watch a good name make a comment disappear. This first line needs a comment because the name D says nothing, so we bolt on a note. But just name the variable seconds in a day, and the comment becomes pointless. The code explains itself. Same number, but the second version reads like plain English with no note attached. So before writing a comment, ask, could a better name say this instead? Reach for a good name first, and save comments for what names can't capture, like the why. Comments have a second superpower. This is called commenting out, and you'll do it constantly. When hunting a bug, you often want to silence one line without deleting it. Just put a hash in front. Off, but still there for later. Step 1 printed. Step 3 printed, but Step 2 is dark commented out. A couple of small professional habits. Block comments, a space after the hash, and to-do notes. Stack several hash lines into a block comment to explain a whole section, and one style rule. Always a single space after the hash. Writing to-do in capitals is a shared convention for work you'll come back to. Editors can list every to-do for you, just 20. The whole block and the to-do were ignored, as comments always are. These tiny habits are what make code look tidy and professional. A bigger cousin of the comment. At the top of a file, you describe the program like this. triple-quoted string as the very first line of a file is a docstring, a documentation string that describes what the whole program does. Unlike a hash comment, it's a real string Python keeps around, so editors and tools can show it as help. 68. The docstring didn't change the behavior at all. The conversion just ran. But anyone opening this file instantly sees what it's for. Later, when we write functions, you'll put a docstring at the top of each one too. Same idea, describing a smaller piece. One gotcha that surprises people. A hash inside quotes behaves completely differently. There's a hash in the middle of this text, but it's inside quotes. Does Python treat it as a comment? No. Inside a string, a hash is just an ordinary character. The hash inside this string printed in full, not a comment. And the hashtag string printed too. A hash starts a comment, and Python skips everything after it on that line. But the real lesson here is judgment, not syntax. Don't narrate the obvious. Explain the why, the reasons, and magic numbers a reader can't guess. Remember the twist too. Sometimes the best fix isn't a comment at all, it's a better name. Use comments to switch lines off while debugging, leave to-do notes for later, and describe a whole file with a docstring. Good comments are a gift to whoever reads your code next, and 9 times out of 10, that person is you. 6 months from now, with no memory of what you were thinking. Take a line you've written and add a why comment, not a what. If it just repeats the code, try again. Next, Python's best-kept secret for beginners, the EREPL, where code runs the instant you type it, no file needed.